The sheer administrative workload for modern teachers often exceeds the actual hours available in a single school day. Differentiation is usually the primary time sink. In a mixed ability classroom, a single lesson on a topic like climate change might require 3 different versions of the same reading to accommodate early readers, advanced students, and English language learners. Manually rewriting that content can swallow an entire weekend. In 2026, purpose-built AI is increasingly used to bridge the gap between these high differentiation needs and the limited time teachers have to prepare. Using these tools can help prevent administrative overload, provided the software is chosen to solve a specific bottleneck rather than just adding more digital noise. The first mistake most educators make is treating generic chatbots, like standard ChatGPT, as a cure-all. A general chatbot is built to converse, not to teach. If you try to force a generic AI to align a lesson strictly to a specific reading level or state standard, you experience prompting fatigue. You end up spending more time tweaking and arguing with the software than you would have spent writing the lesson from scratch. This effort versus impact quadrant shows exactly where the breakdown happens. Manual prep sits in high effort, variable impact. Generic chatbots sit in high effort, low impact. The actual solution is purpose-built educational AI, tools engineered for isolated bottlenecks, sitting firmly in low-effort, high-impact territory. Choosing the wrong specialized tool for your specific classroom problem will burn up your prep time just as fast as not using AI at all. You need to match the software directly to the friction point. If your primary hurdle is a mixed ability classroom with varied reading levels, special education requirements, or ELL students, the tool you need is Diffit. Instead of prompting a chatbot, you paste a complex article, a URL, or even a YouTube video directly into the platform. This comparison matrix tracks these tools. Diffit takes a single source text and generates distinct leveled versions from 2nd to 11th grade. From there, it generates translated vocabulary and comprehension questions. The trade-off? Diffit surgically adapts existing content, but won't build your overarching syllabus. It provides a massive return on investment for localized, daily reading adaptation. It fails if you try to use it as a macro planning tool. If you are an instructional designer, a department head, or a homeschooler, your bottleneck isn't usually micro-adaptation, it's macro structure. That is where curriculum builders like LessonSquill and TeachFloor come in. The input here is entirely different. You enter the subject, the grade level, and the specific curriculum framework you are required to teach, like Common Core or the UK National Curriculum. Looking at our matrix, these tools absorb standards and generate week-by-week schemes of work with aligned objectives. They also automate presentation slide decks from course notes. The limitation? They lack the micro-differentiation required to hand different versions of a reading to diverse learners. Macro generators solve the bureaucratic burden of aligning your syllabus to state standards, but they cannot replace the need for student-specific tailoring on the ground. For the content-heavy educator teaching history or advanced sciences or complex literature, the time sink is often the sheer volume of source material you have to read before you can even begin planning a lesson. Here, Google Notebook LM is the most effective tool. You upload massive, dense curriculum guides, primary research papers, or heavy textbook chapters into a secure notebook. The software rapidly synthesizes those massive documents, extracting the core concepts and producing highly accurate study guides based exclusively on the text you provided. The catch is that these outputs are entirely for your comprehension. They are not formatted or leveled to be handed directly to a student. Notebook LM functions as an upskilling and processing engine for the teacher. It clears the intellectual brush, completely separate from the act of creating classroom materials. The final category consists of the polishers. These tools are built exclusively for visual engagement and administrative communication. Canva AI excels at generating professional worksheets, visual aids, and classroom posters from raw text, removing the need for graphic design skills. Grammarly handles the tone adjustments required for sensitive parent emails or formal school-mandated report card comments. The strict limitation here is pedagogical intelligence. Neither Canva nor Grammarly understand educational standards, reading levels, or curriculum pacing. The polishers ensure your materials look and sound professional, but the underlying educational logic must be supplied entirely by you or a dedicated curriculum tool. You should not attempt to integrate all of these platforms at once. The goal is to identify your single largest administrative time sink and adopt the tool built to solve it. This decision tree maps out how you should build your stack. If adapting one lesson for multiple reading levels to meet SEPD and ELL requirements is consuming your weekend, DFID is your primary investment. If writing standard-aligned lesson plans and term syllabi is your main burden, LessonSquill or TeachFloor is your starting point. And if processing heavy background research is the bottleneck keeping you from actual lesson design, lean on NotebookLM. The most effective AI stack is built by matching the software directly to the specific scenario, ensuring you actually get a return on the time you spend learning how to use it. There is a crucial limitation shared by every tool on this list. AI software prioritizes sounding confident over being factually correct. It will hallucinate information. You have to treat these systems as a co-teacher, not an autopilot. Every generated lesson or leveled text requires manual review for factual accuracy, tone, and individual education plan compliance. While specialized AI can handle the bulk of your prep work, your judgment determines whether that material is actually ready for the room.